Right, okay. Just to give you a little bit of an idea of what we're going to do here. This is an APS or DDM Novastar 12mm feeder without any modifications. This particular feeder has been malfunctioning, and just to show you where the first thing I discovered was that the MOSFET here, this little device here, which has been upgraded on these new feeders because apparently they were having troubles with blowing up on the old feeders, which I have actually encountered. So anyway, the problem with the upgrading of these FETs though is that, and I'll demonstrate to you, we've got a probe on the output of the 5-volt regulator. The encoder wheel and everything's been removed so we can get access to the MOSFET. And I'll show you what happens. We've got an oscilloscope set up. So there's the oscilloscope, and we hit the feed button, and the top trace there is the output of the 5-volt regulator. And as you can see there, we've got a burst of oscillation. The thing sits at 5 volts but peaks. Now we're getting well below ground there initially, probably a couple of volts below ground, and about 12 volts peak of amplitude. I won't bother zooming in on this, but I can tell you that and you can see from another video on this, that's basically an oscillation at about 65 megahertz, which, as it interestingly, is generated by this little puppy here, which is this MOSFET. So I'm going to go about doing a modification to actually reduce the transition frequency of this MOSFET by adding some, I think you refer to it as millicapacitance. Anyway, we'll do that and we'll show you the result.